What is up guys, welcome back to the Bodybuilding India. My name is Shreyas. In this video we are going to talk about ketogenic diet. So people have been emailing me and messaging me on Facebook as well as in our group about the importance of ketogenic diet and whether it is actually useful for fat loss and who should use it and how it can affect your fat loss goals in the long run. So that is what we are going to discuss in this video. And again guys, most of my videos I talk about you guys being open-minded, and that is what I request you guys to be in this video as well, because I'm going to talk a few things which you might not agree with, because I've tried ketogenic diet myself with great results, and also a few of my clients who have tried ketogenic diet with moderate to good results, and there have been people who didn't like ketogenic diet as well. So let me tell you guys what is ketogenic diet first. Ketogenic diet is where you are consuming most of your calories from fats, and next comes protein, and then comes carbohydrates. Your carbohydrates will be less than 50 grams, or in most of the cases less than 30 grams. So what happens is your primary source of energy, which is carbohydrates, is eliminated, and then your body will go for a protein, your body will go for fats as sources of energy, right? So that is the whole logic behind ketogenic diet. Now if you want to know more about ketogenic diet, I'll be dropping a link in the description box. You can check out and read a lot about ketogenic diet, but I will tell you guys in this video my experience as well as few of the people who have tried it, and I've done a survey with people who have done ketogenic diet, and I'm taking their feedback as well, and also few studies that I've gone through and what I've found out. So in a ketogenic diet, you completely cut down carbohydrates. 30 grams of carbohydrates is 120 calories, and if your diet consists of 2200 calories, 120 calories from carbohydrates is actually nothing, right? So you completely cut down your primary source of energy. So what happens is your body will stop using carbs. Your body will use something else for what? Energy. So your body can go for fats, your body can go for protein as well. So the protein anyways is kept at 1 gram per kg of pound per kg, 1 gram of protein per kg of body weight, and fats are anyways high. So the logic behind, and of course you need to be at a caloric deficit even on ketogenic diet to lose fat. Now there are different kinds of ketogenic diets. One which is most popularly followed is 6 day on 1 day high carb. So on 6 days of the week you will be having a ketogenic based diet. On the 7th day you will be having a refeed day where you will be having high carb diet, a high carb for that day to get your glycogen levels up. So my problem with ketogenic diet is not the physical state, it's the mental state. I have done ketogenic diet for 3 weeks when I was cutting 2 years back, and I had exams as well that time, so it was not at all going good for me, and I lost around maybe 3 kgs I think in that 3 weeks, because I was at the end stage of my cut. Okay, so ketogenic diet actually helps. I'm not saying it doesn't help, but the mental aspect, it affects you mentally guys. You tend to feel very tired during the day. You tend to feel hungry as well, because I am a person with a very big appetite, right? Even though I was dieting, my appetite was not that low. I mean, I was feeling hungry all the time, and that was kind of irritating. Okay, so if you are a person who can't control a lot of food, like you like carbs, then I wouldn't recommend you guys try ketogenic diet. Now there have been studies made on obese people for ketogenic diet, and results were kind of good. Okay, people tend to have lost their body fat and overall weight. Okay, now the problem with that is, why did you get obese in the first place? Unless you have some health conditions, I don't think that you got obese. Like, it's not coincidence that you got obese. Okay, you will be having high amount of carbs, like from junk food and all these things, so that is why you're obese, right? Why would you cut all the carbs all of a sudden when you are just starting your fat loss? If you are obese, cutting down little bit calories is more than enough to lose initial amount of fat. If you are 30 kgs obese, I mean overweight, then you can lose 15 kgs of that easily guys, just by being at a caloric deficit. You can check out my video from my channel where I talk about the macros, how to calculate the macros for cutting. Okay, so it is not that easy to lose fat. And then there have been studies made on normal people where they did research between people on ketogenic diet and people on moderate carb diet. Okay, so both of them were given equal amount of protein. Just the thing was their protein, carbs and fats were different, and what the results were was very like different than what you might think. People on moderate carb diet actually lost more weight than people who are on keto in a period of 6 weeks, right? So the point is very simple, guys. Ketogenic diet is not a bad diet. Ketogenic diet is not a great diet. It is just like any other diet. But now comes the most important factor which you should keep in mind. Most of the people who try ketogenic diet are people who are overweight, are people who are just normal people who just want to lose fat. They are not worried about their athletic performance, right? If you are a person who is like me and want to improve your athletic performance, maintain your strength while cutting, I highly do not recommend, or I highly recommend you don't do ketogenic diet. Okay, as you all know, when I was doing Road to Rip City, which was an epic fail, but during that time I was doing ketogenic diet, and as you guys saw, my diet failed. I lost around 3 kgs initially, then I couldn't control my self control went out of the way, and I went for carbs, and then I ate a lot of carbs. So I know there are a lot of people in this world who are like me, who can't live without carbs. Okay, so I suggest you guys, you do not try out ketogenic diet. If you want to try ketogenic diet, do it when you are at the end of your cut and not when you are at the starting stage of your cut, because when you are at the starting stage of your cut, your goal should be to burn as much fat as possible, and not burn a lot of muscle. So there are many things that will get affected. Your performance in the gym will get affected for sure. I have not seen a person on ketogenic diet telling that he is feeling very strong in the gym, but a person who is on a high carb diet or moderate carb diet during his cut, he feels very good in the gym as well. So I wouldn't recommend you guys do ketogenic diet if your goal is to improve athletic performance, if you are squatting, if you are deadlifting, if you are lifting heavy when it comes to your rows, you are pressing and all these things. Ketogenic diet won't help you guys. And if you are planning to compete as well, and you have around 15 pounds of fat to cut down, I would recommend you do some extra cardio and not just reduce your carbs just like that, because low carb diets are good for people who are not so much into lifting weights. Okay, if you are a person who just wants to walk off and lose some weight, ketogenic diet is good. Female clients like ketogenic diet. They request me for ketogenic diet because they think that since they don't go to the gym, that is the best way for them to lose fat. I do agree with them, but most of the cases, guys, if you are my viewer, it means that you are interested in deadlifting, you are interested in squatting and all these things. So if you ask me, I would say no to ketogenic diet. And the question of ketogenic diet during bulking is just out of the way. Don't even think of ketogenic diet during bulking. But if you are looking to burn fat, calorie deficit is the best way to go, guys. This is I found it a little bit late, but it is the best way to go. There have been clients of mine. Kuldeep is one who I have given ketogenic diet last time. He has come back to me after his bulk now, and now he's cutting again. So this time I promised him I'm not going to put him on any kind of ketogenic diet. He will be only doing calorie deficit, and he'll be losing fat and he'll get shredded. Okay, so that is what I believe in. And if you go to any strength coach or anyone who is highly known in this industry, he will not recommend you ketogenic diet unless you are at the end of your contest prep or whatever. Okay, so believe me, guys, your diet, normal diet with calorie deficit is very important. And think about this, guys. If carbs are the primary source of energy for your body, why would you not eat it? Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys. And even if you are into lifting, you can't keep your protein very low. If you are cutting and you keep your protein at 80 grams per day, it will be very low, guys. Okay, you need to get at least 0.8 to 1 pound of protein per 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, right? So that amount of protein will be very low if you are on ketosis. And also reaching ketosis is not an easy thing. Okay, so some of the people might have to even decrease their carbs to 15 grams to reach ketosis. So Ketogenic diet is for few people and people who have very high metabolism. My friend Yash Sharma, I can take the credit for saving him from ketogenic diet because he was doing ketogenic diet and he looked like shit. Okay, he has a very high metabolic rate, and I don't know why would people who are ectomorphs and they gain some fat, they tend to do ketogenic diet. There is no reason for that. You are an ectomorph for a reason. Your metabolism is very fast. So people who are ectomorphs need not do ketogenic diet. Now I'll talk about, as I told you guys, my experience is good when it came to the final physique that I achieved. But if you see my posing video from 2 years back, I actually was very flat. I was very flat in that video. People ask me, you look deprived. Yes, I was deprived of carbs. That is why I was looking like that. But if you know your body very well and you think that ketogenic diet is the only way for you to go, then go for it, guys. But if you are just starting your diet, start at a calorie deficit and then move on with that, guys. Please don't do ketogenic diet unless it's absolutely necessary. Now there are groups on Facebook that promote ketogenic diet and they have gotten great results with it, but I feel ketogenic diet is a short term diet. Like, you can't do it for a longer period of time. How can a human being, I'm very sick, guys, how can a human being not live without carbs? I have absolutely no idea about that. How can a human being live without carbs for a longer period of time? Maximum 1 month is fine, but more than that it is very hard. Yeah, you'll tell me that your body will convert all these things into remaining macronutrients into glucose, your protein into glucose through gluconeogenesis. But really, guys, why do you want to do some unnatural things with your body, right? So I wouldn't recommend ketogenic diet to anyone who is interested in improving their athletic performance. If you want to lift heavy, maintain your strength while cutting, I would recommend you go only with a calorie deficit diet. So that is all, guys. Let me know if you have any more questions about the ketogenic diet. Now people, if you are doing ketogenic diet and you have questions like which are the source of fats to use, you can use walnuts, almonds, peanuts, and use olive oil. You can use fish oil is also present there, and there are many sources of fats, guys. You can just Google source of fats and you'll find it. So that is all, guys. Hope you all got some information from this video. Just sharing my knowledge about ketogenic diet from what I have seen with myself and my friends and also my clients. And the balance is like maybe 30-70, like 30% of ketogenic diet is okay with me, but for 70% of the people, ketogenic diet is not necessary, and I hope that you belong to the 70% of the people. So thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions, do leave it in the comments box down below. Do leave your feedback about this channel, what you want to see, and a quick notification, guys. As I told you, I was about to upload a very special video which I have never done on this channel. The reason I have not yet uploaded is because of various reasons. It requires a lot of editing, so I'm planning how to record it. Okay, the way you record makes your editing easier as well. So me and Gautam are on it, and whenever it comes out, it will be very helpful for a lot of people, because there is a lot of myths about bulking and cutting in India. So we will fix that, and once that is done, we'll upload it. You can expect it this week, and it will be a very nice video for our channel, guys. It will take things to the next level. I don't think anyone has done that on YouTube so far. So thanks a lot, guys. Do give a thumbs up, and if you agree with me, thanks a lot. If you don't agree with me, I still love you guys. So thanks a lot. I'll be back again, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And sorry that I'm sick. I suddenly got sick, guys. I don't know why. So thanks a lot. Peace.